Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Good Sunday evening, everyone. I'm Storm Team Meteorologist Jacob Woods. Want to let you know that we are still weather aware for our Monday. Damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour, up to a quarter-inch hail that's 1 inch or larger, and potentially even between a half-inch to 1.5 inches of additional rain area-wide for some more rounds of storms going into our Monday. But at least for tonight, here on this Sunday night, most of us staying dry. A very small chance, less than 10%, for a quick little sprinkle, mainly over Pickens, Greene, and Hale counties, and maybe Tuscaloosa County as well this evening. Otherwise, we're going to be dry for tonight. Partly cloudy skies, and be aware for some patchy fog as you start your Monday morning commute. We are under that level 2 out of 5 slight risk that could be even upgraded to an enhanced level 3 out of 5 from central Mississippi over to central Alabama for the higher confidence potentially of a damaging wind maker forming in the afternoon going into the evening hours. We'll show you that here on Futurecast. There's that very small chance for a quick hitting shower over west central Alabama before sunset this evening. We'll stay dry tonight. There's that patchy fog, fairly widespread for early Monday morning. It quickly mixes out. Temperatures near 70 to start the day. It'll be very muggy throughout our Monday, and that'll be kind of one of the ingredients that we need to get some of the severe weather parameters in place for the afternoon. A decaying line of storms working in from the southwest through lunchtime tomorrow, but it kind of fizzles out. And then we'll watch to our west for a new area of showers and storms to develop around 1, 2, 3 o'clock. And this is forecast to really intensify quickly as it travels eastward. And so really for that dinner time, the evening commute home on our Monday could be looking at some pretty intense storms with heavy downpours and of course frequent lightning, gusty winds, and maybe some small hail. The tornado threat tomorrow is not completely zero, but it is going to be just low enough that we still have to monitor for maybe a quick spin up for some of those storms between around 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. on our Monday. But after we get through the evening hours, a lot of that will slide to the east and slide south. Rainfall totals additional on top of what we've already seen throughout this weekend could be between a half-inch to 1.5 inches area-wide, with the heavier totals seeming to be west of Interstate 65. That takes us through the end of tomorrow. By Tuesday and Wednesday, some slightly drier air will work its way in here, and that'll lower those storm threats to around 20%, mainly along and south of Interstate 20 for a quick afternoon shower or storm, and then starting to become a bit more widespread with those afternoon evening storms Thursday, Friday, and going into the upcoming weekend.